Hey everyone, Matt Harrison here, Python and Data Science Corporate Trainer at Metasnake, and author of the new course Applied Classification with XGBoost. XGBoost has proven itself to be one of the most powerful and useful libraries for structured machine learning. It's used in industry and is a high-performing model that wins many machine learning competitions. I'm really excited about the content of this course and believe this is the most complete and thorough end-to-end demonstration of XGBoost and the libraries surrounding it that support things like visualization, evaluation, and interpretation. In this course, we'll dive into the underpinnings of the XGBoost algorithm. We'll show a baseline model and review the decision tree, the fundamental model that XGBoost is based on. Then we'll explain how boosting works and how XGBoost implements it. Using Jupyter Notebook demos, we'll show preliminary exploratory data analysis. We'll practice creating the model, evaluating it, and explaining it. Using third-party libraries, we'll explore feature interactions and explaining models. Before you begin this course, you should know some basic Python and pandas. Keep in mind that this is an applied course. By the end of this course, you should be able to take raw data, prepare it, model a classifier, and explore the performance of it. We aren't using the Iris or Titanic dataset, we're using real survey data, and we'll be using more than just the XGBoost library. We'll cover all the tools required for end-to-end classification. Using the provided notebook, you can follow along on your own machine or take and adapt the code to your own needs. Let's get started. I hope you'll join me on this journey with the Applied Classification with XGBoost course at Pluralsight.